morning. Yes, we are live in the city of Asaba, heading to Warri this morning. Yes, a very cloudy morning in Delta State. Yes, we are going to do a drive from Asaba to Warri. Let's see the current state. I learned that the governor is doing quite a lot of things in Delta State. Yes, if you go online, you hear a lot of good stuff about the administration currently running Delta State online. So I learned that some work are going on along the Asaba Ughelli Warri road. So let's do a drive through this morning and see what the state of the road is. So far so good. We're approaching Ibuza and the road is clean. The one lane road that has been done for some time that I'm aware of is still very much okay. The other lane that would have made it a dual lane is not functioning. So let's drive on and see till we get to Warri and see how far the work has gone. I learned it's a dualization work that is going on, but let's do a drive through together, guys. So if you're a returning subscriber seeing this video, thank you very much for your massive love and support for our channel. We sincerely do appreciate you. And if you are seeing this video for the first time or seeing our videos for the first time, please, you are welcome to Allen TV. Yes, please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Yes, you can check our video catalog. We have a lot of interesting videos there for you. You can check them out and see. In every city we visit pan Nigeria, we travel as we can to give you a glimpse of what is happening in the city. So guys, let's continue on our drive to Warri from Asaba. Yes, the second lane has not been done and I can see a lot of gully erosions affecting that lane, but the lane we are on currently is super good and clean. So guys, if you are from Delta State and we passed your village or passed your community, as the case may be, please do well to also rep in the comment section. Yeah, I really wish I could go to the eboh houses. I learned a lot of work has been done by the state government around eboh. Yes, on this side of the road, the road has already been dualized properly well. This part has been done. They left with approaching Warri, Asaba. That's yet to be dualized. Well, I don't know why that trailer is running on one lane anyway. But this is Admiral University that we are approaching now, and the road is actually very much dualized. So it's good to see. The dualization work has gone a bit far. Since we have been driving, it's actually dualized, but I don't just know why some drivers are just naturally stubborn to continue using one lane. Everybody has their separate lane now around this axis. I think we're at eboh now, so we'll soon make that diversion to Warri road proper. Approaching the junction now. Oga go. When they drive one lane. So we are at the junction now. The diversion to Ughelli. Yes, from the look of things, here has also been dualized. Let's hope the drivers around this region are actually insane. Yeah, they're also using one lane. I know they've abandoned the old one that is still very much motorable. The last time I used this road, it was not yet dualized like this. So if you are from Delta State, please do well to drop in the comment section what your governor have been up to. Yeah, a lot of things are online. Some good stuff about him are online. So, you know, those physically present in the state can tell if those things are true or not. Yes. And if you are seeing this video and there is you are not in Delta State but you are aware of some of those projects, do well to comment them, and I'll be more than glad to visit such places and have a look at them as well. Yeah, way back I know the Abraka road used to be very bad, but I learned, they said he has done it, but I've not been there. So when I pass through that road, I will also give you guys a glimpse of what it is about. So we have to join this other lane. I think there's an accident at the front. So it's a serious accident at the front. What could have caused this? Trailer just lose his stuff, probably trying to navigate out. This other lane has been, looks like what has been done, but I don't know why it's barricaded, so we have to maintain one lane. I think what I'm observing is some portions of the road has been done, while some has not been done. So yes, like you see the other lane now is being done, but there's a diversion at the front, which means the continuation. They didn't continue on that part, so I think the work done was actually segmented. So probably that's why people are still using. Yeah, you can see where the bike man entered from. So and there's a blockade at the front, so which indicates that you can't see. So they stopped it here. Part has not been done. Sorry for the weather. It's a cloudy weather this morning in Delta State. There are tractors here, there are workers here on site, so probably okay. Then you can see the tractors. They are on site this morning. Probably they are still doing the ground breaking. We are back to one lane now, please. And you know, when driving on a one lane road, one needs to be extremely careful, and you need to mind the speed at which you drive, especially when you are not familiar with the route. So I just hope even this one we are using now, I hope there's not so much potholes. Just to mention, so far so good, we are still on a dual lane coming from Asaba. So now it's as if everybody chooses the path they want to use. Yeah, if you want to join, the lane you decide to join, just join and drive your way. Sorry guys, so still a dual lane going, so let's hope that this continues and greater part of this has been done. Oh, hope they are not disappointing me. Just I can see that okay, it's still a dual lane, or is it a single lane now? The lane is becoming confusing. Okay, I think they worked on a new one and merged with the old one. Probably there might be a demarcation at the end, but though, yes, they are going to also work on this other side of the road. Yes, this spot used to be very bad. If you can see the old one, a lot of potholes way back. So this side has been done. Probably they just opened up everything, pending when they complete this other side before they can dualize it. But it's good to see that we didn't have to be jumping those bad potholes again. So that's good. So if you are very familiar with this route and you are seeing this video, you can help us to be saying the various locations we are passing. I know this is a popular junction, but I don't know the name. So you can help us by dropping the various locations. Yes, I think we are approaching the plantation now, the Grover plantation now. And that as this used to be also bad. And from the look of things, they just walked on this side and opened up everything to be one, which is very, very, very good. Yeah, it's good to see that we are not jumping on those bad spots again around this axis. It's really good to see. It makes the journey faster for everyone, and obviously it will also reduce the crime around this region, because bad spots, bad roads contribute hugely to crime along the express. Kudos to the Delta State Governor for what he's doing for the people of Delta State. Yeah, there's a lot of good stuff about him online, so let it continue. Though some people say it's biased, so this is the plantation. Sorry, we just passed the plantation now, and this part has been done. Even though some people said he's only focusing on his people, he's only working for the people of Eboh and environ. Said where there is people, so preference obviously. Okay, I think that is where we stopped. Though the work has been done, but I don't know why they barricaded it at the front. But from the look of things, they've already done it. But there's a barricade just here, so that is why we are joining this lane. So we'll be joining back again at this point. I think I really enjoy my trip. I don't have to slow down so much for potholes. So I think I'm really enjoying the trip to Warri this morning. So guys, we have gotten to Kwale. So this is Kwale. Yeah, the Kwale road has been dualized for a very long time. So we are live in Kwale. I learned that the road leading Kwale to Obiaroko to Abraka all has been done by the state governor, because they said it's from this part of town, so he's favoring his people by doing their roads for them. So this is Kwale. So if you are from Kwale and you are watching this video, please do well to let us know in the comment section and tell us more about your community, about your town. So it's Kwale with so much bike on the road. So when driving in Kwale, you need to be extremely careful, because the bikes, I think the same thing we were experiencing in Ughelli. The bikes around have so much, so you need to drive at a very lower speed. So, and also if you are from Kwale, do let us know what you guys are known for. I don't know, probably your food. Tell us about your culture in the comment section. Let's learn and know if we'll come and look for something in Kwale. So let's keep it going, guys. So our next stop will be Ughelli as we go on this drive. Guys, we are back to one lane. Yes, we are approaching Ozoro now. So it's now a one lane road. So just stay tuned. Let's get into Ozoro, where we have the Ozoro Polytechnic. It's not changed to Ozoro University. I think virtually everything in Delta State now has been changed to university. Even the College of Education in Agbo is now also a university. So just stay tuned. Let's get into Ozoro. Let me show you what Ozoro looks like as well. So guys, you are welcome to Ozoro. Yes, we are live in Ozoro now. So it has been an awesome ride. They are still dualizing this part of the road. You can see that some work is being done in Ozoro, just around the school gate. So I don't know if the students are in session or they're on strike. Did the ASU strike affect them? Did they affect them?
No, Delta State.
Oh, that's true. Delta State has not always been partaking with ASU. Okay, school is on session, so we are dualizing the road around the school. So this is Ozoro. So if you are from Ozoro, do well to rep your location. Ozoro to Oleh is just a stone throw, just a short drive. So for those who are interested in coming to Oleh, just it's up to 20 minutes drive. Yes, there's 15 minutes drive now. You are in Oleh from Ozoro. But Oleh is now one of the major cities in Delta. Ozoro is now one of the major cities in Delta State. It's very populated now. A lot of commercial activities going on within the city. So if you are from here, rep your location. Let's know that you are from Ozoro, Delta State. Or if you are from Oleh, also do let us know. And if you are from Iri, also do let us know. Iri is just a border community to Oleh. You won't even know the difference. You won't even know the difference. So work is still on. Tractors are here. Workers are on site doing their stuff along this path. So, and bikes is still being used in Ozoro. I know when I was still in school in Delta State, in Abraka, bike was banned, but I don't know if they record them. It's been ages I went to Abraka, so I don't know if Abraka is using bike too now, but I know there's no bike in Warri. There's no bike in Warri. So if you are from Abraka or you school in Abraka and you are seeing this video, also let us know. Have they record bikes in Abraka? So guys, this is Oleh, Ozoro rather. Our next stop will be Ughelli. So let's get to Ughelli, then we'll get to Warri. Ughelli to Warri is not so far, so we are getting closer to our destination. So as you can see, this part has been dualized already. I just hope before his tenure is over, the entire road must have been dualized, because the journey was very, very fast for me, because the potholes are so much, they've reduced so much on the road. You won't see much of the potholes. So guys, I've been eager to get to this point, the diversion between Ozoro to Oleh and Ughelli, to know what the state is, because I've been working on this road for years now. So the roundabout, the big roundabout just at that junction, is still the way it is. I think 2019 I was a frequent user of this road. 2018-2019, and the road that roundabout has always been like that. It has been bad. I don't know why they don't want to do the roundabout. For those who are familiar with Delta State, you understand what I'm talking about. That place has been like that. And this road we are driving on now, I've been anticipating getting here because this work on this road has also been on since 2019 that I've been using this road. I was a frequent user of it before I stopped. Throughout 2019, I was on this route. So I want to know how far or the extent to which the work has gone. Because it was annoying then that I was coming week in, week out to Delta State using this same road, and these parts were bad. Yes, kudos to the work they've done on coming from Asaba to Ozoro. Great job, I must say. But this part, you can see dollarization work still the way it is. There are some parts on this lane we are driving on now they'll be working on. Let's get there and see the state. I don't know what's really delaying the project. I don't know if it's not the state government project. Probably that's what I will find out. But it's long overdue. That roundabout should be well done. It should be well done. The road has been like that, and I don't know why they just left that axis like that. Because if you drive towards Oleh now and Iri, it's a clean drive. Now we are driving to Ughelli, still enjoying a clean drive, but that point, that roundabout, I don't know why it's left to be like that for years. So please, it should be addressed if this video gets to those in power and authority that can do something about it. So let's keep driving. There are some points up down that I want to see how far they have gone with the work there. So you can see that it's still the way it is. It has been like this for years. It has been like this. I don't just know why it's difficult for this road to be done. I don't know why. I really wish I can get a detailed explanation. Probably it's not the state government project. Probably that's why. I don't know. So we'll find out. But the road has been like this for years, and I keep seeing tractors. I keep seeing men on sites every now and then walking, but I'm not seeing a significant progress along this part. So you can see the tractor is there. The realization work looked abandoned, and even the lane we are driving on now, so much of potholes. There was even a day in 2019 I was coming, the road was blocked. We had to use inside the community to join this lane again. That was my first time I used inside the community. I was not familiar. I had to just drive behind commercials at my front. So, and it's still literally the same thing since then. So the work is taking so long. I don't know why some projects in Nigeria take so long, why some are very fast to do when it concerns higher authorities. But this is the road being used by the masses, and for years they have been working on it, and nothing. So yeah, I've been eager to get to this point because it has been like this. Let's hope probably they worked on the front part of it. Yeah, it's looking like they worked on this side of it. So let's hope that they will get to that part. So guys, we are in Ughelli now. Yes, this junction has always been bad, and up to now is still bad. So nothing has been done on it. Let's use this part that is good to join the road. So this is Ughelli, ever busy Ughelli. So if you are from Ughelli, seeing this video, rep your location. I was a frequent visitor to your town in 2019, so I enjoyed Ughelli very well. Then Epinim, what's the name of that hotel, was the center of everything in the town. That things happen. You know, lost there a couple of times. What's the name of this? Tantalizer. You know, so I enjoyed my visit to Ughelli several times. So it's a nice city. Not so big, not so small. It's just in between. So this is really good to be here again after many years. So guys, that is it. Let's take it down to Warri now. It has been a great drive. From Warri. Yes, this is Fiesta. That's been a great drive. So guys, let's go to Warri. Let's see how the road to Warri is. Let's arrive at destination. So guys, we are in Warri Ughelli Road. So shortly we'll be in Warri. So I can't wait to step into Warri. So the great Warri people, so rep your location. Oh. Let me know if you are from Warri. They say Warri not the carry last. So let's hope that when we get to Warri, the environment will show that you guys are not actually carrying last. I'm excited to visit your city. So tell me where I can eat good banga and stash in your city. So at least I can have the feel that I was in Delta State. I can't just go back to Enugu without eating banga and starch now. So please give me notification right now, and let's bring this video to an end. So if you have stayed with me, thank you very much. I appreciate you for joining. And if you have been with me and you've not yet subscribed, please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. So my general overview about the trip from Asaba to Warri, it was pretty fast, no much delays because the roads are better now. From Asaba to Ozoro was very okay. Yes, better. Kudos to the work that has been done so far on that axis. From Ozoro to Ughelli, very okay too, apart from those spots I said has been like that for ages. And though they are working, tractors are there, men are on ground, we hope that the work is fast, because I've been seeing that activity happening around that region since 2019, like I said. So, and Ughelli to Warri now, the road has been good. The road is good. I think the road has always been good from Ughelli to Warri. No much stuff on the road at all. So that's my general overview. It was a fast trip. No delays at all. It was a very fast trip, and I enjoyed every single bit of it, vlogging it for you guys. So that is it. But let's see what Warri has for us. Let's see what is available in Warri. Let's see how the governor has been treating Warri. But generally, fair enough, the roads are okay. Better than what we experience in some other areas. The roads is better. So that was it, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. So we are entering a forum now. So thank you so much for joining me on this ride to the city of Warri. Yeah, it's one of the largest. It should be the largest city in Delta State now, if I'm not mistaken. Am I right? You are from Delta now? It is the largest city in Delta State. So great to be here. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you. So stay tuned for more updates from Delta State, since I'll be here for some couple of days. So stay tuned for more updates. So please again, click the subscribe button if you have not. also do well to recommend videos for us. We'll be more than glad to see your recommendations of what you would like to see us do. You understand? So we'll be more than glad to see your recommendation, and we'll get it done for you. So guys, thank you very much. Signing out from the trip. See you guys in my next video. Bye.